So this is my reticulated python. It's a 75% Borneo, 25% Ambon. As you can tell, still a little bit wild, still a little bit defensive. But shouldn't take too long before she just becomes more calm and becomes more handleable. Gonna be working with this girl more often next year. Love the colors on this girl. There's nothing better than these F1 close to the wild caught retics. The iridescence on this girl is crazy. So this girl is a mainland retic. You know, you normally get between 15 to 20 feet normally. If you get anything over 20 feet, that's just, you know, 1 in 1,000 probably. But they do get big, you know, a 17 foot, 18 foot mainland retic. That's gonna be a huge snake. I'll be happy if she even gets past 17. That's gonna be a lot to handle. She's flicking her tongue. She is in this S position. She's still being very defensive, but she's tongue flicking. She's wondering what's going on. She's still trying to, you know, read the room a little bit. She knows that I'm not trying to eat her or attack her or anything. You really gotta just take your time when trying to tame these guys out. It's not gonna happen overnight. You know, you're just gonna have to handle her more as often as you can, and then you can get a nice animal out of these guys. I wouldn't recommend an F1 to anybody that has no experience with having a retic before, or berm, or anything large like that. Not even a berm. I wouldn't consider a berm. Berms are really just like puppy dogs. But I would say there's a big difference, because I had I would say you know, fifth generation retic from Bob Clark before. It was a het orange ghost stripe, and I literally could handle it the first day. This girl, striking non-stop. That's the F1 in her. Just want to show her off. You can see the nice colors on her. You know, I want the other mainland. There's a lot of other mainlands I do want. Of course, everyone wants the Sulawesi, but you know, it's gonna be a lot to feed, you know, and I already got the green anaconda, African rock, and berm, so I think one mainland retic is good enough. So this is my reticulated python. She's still a little bit flighty and bitey. Just gotta keep her a little bit away from my face. But so far she's doing good. She has a great appetite. And there she goes. She's always trying to bite. So what I do is I'll just keep one hand with a glove, which is my damaged hand, and then I'll keep the other hand free so she gets used to the human touch. No, I don't want to get bit too often, but I don't mind getting bit. There, she'll free up, and these snakes are really intelligent. So just want to be, you know, nice to them, take time to tame them out and all that. So we just gotta work with them. As you work with them, you'll get a beautiful animal like this. Alright, thank you guys